Hello, welcome. This is Pepper's Creation. We are going to learn how to do bow tie using beads. Remember in the previous episode we used rhinestone in making the bow tie. But this time around we are using beads. So you pick two of the beads. This time around we are not using 4, we are using 2. So this is the base is 2. And you pick 1. Then you cross stretch. So we want 10. So 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At this point, the thread will cross over. This one will cross over to this side. Same applies to this part. Then you pick 1 bead. So for this we are dealing with 1, 1, 1, 1. Unlike the rest that we were dealing with 3 and 4. Then it's passes through. As you are going, then the size will be reduced. You see that the first one was 10. By the time we finish, it should be 9. You see. So the one that we are going to make, it will also reduce to 8. Combinations. So it's left with just 2, and we will leave it like that. So after that we are going to join them together. So we are going to do the same for this side. So we are done with this, and we are going to do 2 of this. So this is the other one. So we are going to join them together, and you see that each end is having a thread. So we are using the thread in joining them together. You see the thread, it's in opposite direction. So this one goes into this, and this one goes into this as well. So we are repeating. You see, after joining them, this is what it looks like. We are repeating the same for the other side. So this is it. Then we tie them together. We are going to cut the excess, and you see the middle part doesn't look really neat, so we are going to cover it with a rhinestone. So we are covering the middle part with a rhinestone. And we use our glue gun. So this is it. We are using it for a bow tie. Let it dry out, and you are good to go. So this is our final work. Thank you for watching. Bye.